Today my recipe is nari. So this kind of masala we have to use. But this masala is not enough, so I'm waiting for Fahad to come because this is only half packet, I think. So I need a full packet of nari masala because this meat is more than 1 kilogram. Ayan oh, half lang. Wala pang half. Ayan. And I already boiled this one kasi it's already soft, so I have to transfer now this one because I have to fry now onions. I have to this one, I use this onions here, must be I have to brown onion this one. Ayan sila nga kumuha ng onions, and then and I separate also little for me for my sahog of my radish tuber because before 2 days my husband he get for my beef curry, and these leaves I mix in beef. So I have more half, but I think this is not enough, so I will get more there down to cook. But I will not cook today this one, and this one tomorrow I will cook because today I will cook nari. And I will, as you can see, the garlics, this is native garlics, so I will use this mortar teaser to make ano ba yung dikdikin yung beans. Ayan, so dito ako magluluto at the same time sa chimney pugon kasi malamig. Ayan, ilipat ko na ito dito kasi magba-brown na ako ng onions. You can cook also mutton or kambing, karne ng kambing, and also chicken. So by this time we cook this karne ng baka, nari, beef, nari. Let's start saute now onions. We have to fry this one until golden brown. Half of onions, brown onions, we keep here and also here, and then we put also already garlics and this one nari masala. That's enough. Enough this. And so what we have extra here we put also, and also this one. This is another brand of masala. Now we'll put now this boiled meat. I put also this wet flour diluted with water, 4 to 5 tablespoons of wet flour, and full of this water. Now we put already here for what you call this, for sticky, become sticky this gravy. Ito luto na ito, tama lang yung gravy niya. Ayan oh. Ayan. Hindi ko na pala na-videohan yung hiniwalay kong brown onions kasi busy ako, pinapakain ko silang ga. Basta yung hiniwalay ko na brown onion, ginanon-ganon, hinimay-himay ko tapos nilagay dito. Tapos yung ano din, yung pag-dilute ng wet flour with water, hindi ko na rin na-videohan. Pero meron naman procedure dito kung paano magluto. Ayan dyan oh. Madali lang naman lutuin. So ito na yung kalabasan oh. Ayan. Parang yata ito, mutton o kaya karne ng baka. Yan. So pa ako ng nito, slice ako, may coriander leaves din, may ginger, tapos green chilies, lemon. So ito luto na ang aming dinner. Kaya gagawa ako ng chapati, masarap ito sa chapati o kaya naan. Pwede din rice, pero ngayon kakain ako ng chapati siguro kahit isa. Ayan. If you want to eat, now you can put 2-3 pieces slice of what you call this mutton or beef. And then some gravy you put in plate, and then you have to put also slices of ginger. If you want chilies, you can put also, and then sauce of lemon, and some coriander leaves. It's like this. Then we enjoy with chapati or naan. Done eating our dinner with the lakay, me, langga, and Fatma. Si Fahad hindi pa kumain. Ayan, may marami pang gravy. So, nakaubos ako ng 2 chapati. So, kay Fahad na lang itong chapati na ito. 2 yung chapati na kinain ko. 2 din kay Lakay, 2 kay Fatma. Kay Langga, malakas siya kumain eh. 4 yung kanyang kinain. Ayan, sarap. Medyo spicy kasi ganito talaga pag nari. Tapos ayan. May yung tawag yan, yung karne ng baka. Tapos gravy, tapos lagyan ng ginger, coriander leaves, tapos sauce ng ng lemon. Tapos habang kumakain, magano ng chapati. With matching na diyo. Ayan. Done eating our dinner, also Fahad, there is 1 extra chapati or kubos or roti. And ito na lang yung natira sa ginger, so mag-slice ako ulit. Ayan o. Mag-slice ako ulit for para bukas ng tanghali. So marami pa ito for tomorrow lunch. At saka pwede pa ito pang dinner din. So bali ilang kainan ito, ilang ulamin. Dinner, breakfast kasi hindi kami kumakain ng ulam sa breakfast, lang chapati or paratha with tea. So tanghali din gabi. Ayan, 3 meals na ulam namin, marami pa ito. Kasi kung kakain mga 2 pieces na piece ng meat, tapos lagay sa plate, tapos juice ng lemon, tapos lagyan ng ginger at saka coriander leaves o kaya green chilies. Pero ako hindi ko nilagyan ng green chili kasi maanghang. So ito yung diyo, kunti na lang tinira ni Fahad. Alhamdulillah. Masarap talaga itong nari. Kaya lang itong nari ay mainit sa katawan. So during winter or autumn or winter kami nagluluto itong nari. It's either chicken nari, mutton nari or beef nari. So by this time bumili kasi sila kay ng karne ng baka. So nagluto ako ng beef nari. So masarap talaga ito sa chapati at sa naan. Dati-dati hindi ako kumakain ng yung chapati. So nakakain ako 2 chapati eh. So bukas pa ito, kakain din ako ng chapati din, 1 o 2 kasi masarap. Hindi masyado siya maanghang kasi hindi ko nilagay lahat yung 1 packet na masala, nari masala. Hindi masyado maanghang kasi may problema ako sa gastric ulcer. Kasi oily din, nag-avoid din ako ng oily, spicy. Let's eat lunch, everyone. This is beef nari with coriander leaves, slices of ginger. If you want to put green chilies, you can put also. And with chapatis or rotis or kubos. And this good also for naan if you have. So I have this one. Last night I cooked. So we have more. So I have to eat now my lunch because it's 12. Almost 12 noon now. So must be you have to put like this lemon. Like that. Juice para masarap-sarap. Then you can eat with chapatis and with this one. Yummy, yummy, nari.